Hello Silicon Soldiers. Let's take a look at how many creators are racking up millions of views with short videos on specific topics. Amazing, right? Well, that's the topic of our today's video. So, without wasting any more time, let's print some money. First, head over to YouTube and search for a long podcast video. Make sure to filter your search results to Creative Commons to find the best content that suits your topic. Once you've found the perfect podcast, copy the link because we're moving to the next step. Next, we're going to use an AI tool called Opus Clip. I've included the link in the video description below. It's super simple to get started. Let's go through it. First, register a free account using your Google credentials. Once you're in, paste the YouTube link into the input box. You can also upload a long video file if you have one. Now, here you can select caption styles and fonts. There's even an option to add captions without clipping. Perfect if you just want to generate captions for your videos. You can trim the video time frame from the beginning to save credits. Once you're ready, click Get Clips in 1 minute. The AI will process your video and create several short reels. After the process is complete, you'll get a bunch of short videos ready to download. Just click the download button below each reel. If you need to make any edits, it's not rocket science. Click on the edit button and tweak as needed. Now, you have an unlimited source of content at your fingertips. All you need to do now is upload these videos regularly on Instagram and watch your following grow. Consistency is key. Remember, the more you post, the more you engage with your audience, and the faster you'll grow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell for notifications on our latest content. Thanks for watching and happy creating.
Sandy.